Yes. One of the best shot of the day. This was very nice. Play 2-3 shots. You are good at it. Don't worry about it. Just apply the new technique and you will see the good results straight away. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to increase the distance. Yeah? I'm going to place the white ball here. Can you do it? Yeah. Same technique, don't panic, no pressure. Better control of yourself, better hitting. Very nice. Okay. Now, I think we should go for different shots from back. I want you to walk from backs, which I'm going to give you a few stations, and we'll practice on that. अभी आप उधर से बंद करके ना मुझे वीडियो